husband took the kids to school, and the first thing I'm going to do is make a list of all the things that we have to make. We have to do rice, chicken, lasagna, cholent. So it's a pretty simple day today because my husband made chicken soup yesterday already, and we have things in the freezer like matbuch I have in the freezer, challah that I made in the freezer, schnitzel that I made. So this is a pretty simple Friday. Oh, also we have to go to the store, the Tambul store. We have to buy something for our shower head that broke. So that's another thing we're gonna do. Friday is also a day for errands. So we're also gonna get that done today. Okay, 400 grams. Okay, let it sit. We have some knafayim also that we had in the freezer that we just want to use up. Okay, garlic, soy sauce, and Ceylon date syrup. Kosher the ovens, that means highest temperature for at least 30 minutes. So we also have to heat up soup, hot water, and you want to get the vegetable tray ready?
Just for tonight, okay.
Good, no? Little dig for all the socks that don't have a pair, and then at the end of the week we find the pairs. I wish I could start hanging up the laundry. We actually had a few really sunny days, which was great, but today it got rainy and cold again, so hopefully this is one of the last times I'm using the dryer. In the winter when I need the dryer, I like it, but I actually prefer hanging up laundry when I can. Careful not to burn it. You're putting in the barley, 1 cup of barley, overnight soaked beans, 2 cups. Onions, 1 onion, and about 1 kilo of meat, the more the merrier. We have the hot water also here setting up so that our guests could have hot tea and stuff. Oh, we have soy milk. They could even have coffee. Isn't that crazy? Hot water. Perfect. I think that's perfect. Perfect.
Enough?
Yeah, perfect. So, we have 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, of garlic, 2 teaspoons of paprika. Okay, So we are good to go. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait. While I'm waiting for the rice, I'll get to some dishes. I'm not sure how so many dishes here accumulated, but this will take me about 10 minutes, which is perfect timing for the rice. So let's get to it. את שבת הקלה, מנה שבת המלכה, ישמרון טלוויזור ארץ והאלי פירוש ברכה, לאומני וחרב. Okay, let's fluff it up. Perfect. Oh, delicious. So just fluff it out a bit. Okay, perfect. This will go so well with the cholent. So I'm so happy we made a little bit of extra rice. You came back from Gan? Was it fun? You got a biscuit?
A biscuit. You say biscuit in English?
We're getting ready for lunch. We're cutting up a salad and we got a lot of stuff done. Hot water and laundry. So now we have lasagna and heat up the soup.
The math book in English, can you do that one?
Slicha, you're gonna eat your pita? Pita! Our hummus.
Advance here a little bit more. And also English, you can let me know.
What are you doing, young man?
Okay. Hello, it's me. זה כאילו יהיה תרגיל השבועים. תרגילים השבועים.
I made for Purim this hostages symbol, and we had a few left from Purim. I added some cardamom.
אבא, אתה יכול... יאיר, מיד נוגע משהו. אוקיי, רגע. זה הבאתי לי. אוקיי. בוא נתחיל לעבוד. אני כבר...
Whoever wants to do it, wash yours himself first.
אוקיי. אבל יש לו. הוא עזר. יאיר, פה זה לזניה. יאיר, פה זה לזניה קשור. יאיר, איפה רשום לזניה? לחמם מרק. יפה מאוד. אבל מה רשום פה?
Lasagna.
הוא רואה לזניה. לזניה ברור, בטוח.
It's spelled weirdly in English. It's one of the weird words.
Which is yummier? Anya. And we just have to set up the plata, and now it's our downtime to rest and relax before Shabbat Candles. We pretty much did it. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you in the next video.
השם בקיר ומאיר בתורה ומעשים טובים ובכל מלאכת עבודה תבוא.
Shabbat Shalom.
Shabbat Shalom.
Shabbat Shalom. Shabbat Shalom. You can tell Abba to move the camera.